Hey, welcome back to What We Did. I do want to apologize in advance for the audio in this video. We had just gotten finished swimming in the ocean and there was a bit of water still in the camera. So apologize, but enjoy.
So, hey there, we are at our first, welcome back to What We Did. Earlier I posted a short when we were leaving there, but now let's see, where are we? Cozumel. Probably got a couple other videos there too, but we are at Playa. $17 cab ride from the port, so that's still the same. But there's like nobody around, it seems like. Seriously, there's like 10 couples out here, it seems like. I mean, just pan around, take a look, but actually it's a nice place. The thing out there in the water, little floating trampoline park, it is a little rough. There's no ropes to climb up on, so if you got younger ones, a little bit tough for them. Maybe we had to hoist them up, but they made it. So anyway, here we're gonna head over. The Waterslide was working. Kids love that one. That also, by the way, here, a quick shot of that. We'll do a quick rundown, but the minimum height requirement on the Waterslide is 3 feet 3 inches, so 39 inches. I don't know why, but that's what it said on the sign. Anyway, here we're gonna go over to the pool. I think the kids were wanting to be in the pool, so, or they're over in the Waterslide again, one of the two. Actually, yeah, I think they're in the Waterslide. There you go. Right now, like I said, nobody around. So it took about 15 minutes to get here. But anyway, there you go. We'll catch you a little bit later.